Joel, wake up! You're gonna be late. What time is it? It's 8:45. Your interview is at 9. 8:45? My alarm didn't go off. Did you check your phone? It's dead. It didn't charge overnight. Get dressed. I'll make you coffee to go. There's no time. I need to run. At least grab your jacket. It's cold out. No time. Wish me luck. 1 black coffee, please. I'm in a huge rush.
Coming right up. Name for the order?
Joel. Joel.
Got it. That'll be $3.50.
Excuse me, is this mine?
Let me check. Oh, that's a caramel latte for Joan.
I said Joel. I need to go. I have an interview.
I'm so sorry. Give me 30 seconds. I'll remake it.
I don't have 30 seconds.
Here. Take the latte for free. On the house.
Fine. Thank you. I really have to run. Sir, is this your car? Yes, I just parked 2 minutes ago. The meter expired at 8:50. That's impossible. I only just got here. The system shows it expired 10 minutes ago. I'm getting a ticket for 2 minutes? I'm afraid so. Here's your citation. This is the worst morning of my life. You can appeal it online if you think it's a mistake. I don't have time to argue. I have an interview. Good luck. Move your car before the tow truck comes. A tow truck? Are you serious? Hi, I'm here for a 9 a.m. interview. Joel Carter.
Let me check. I don't see you on today's list.
I confirmed this appointment last week.
Your interview might be tomorrow? Let me look again.
It has to be today. I rushed here.
Ah, here it is. You're on tomorrow's list, 9 a.m.
Tomorrow? I thought it was today.
I'm sorry for the confusion. Can you come back tomorrow?
I suppose I have to.
The hiring manager actually has 10 minutes free right now, if you'd like to say hello.
Really? Yes, absolutely. Thank you. Hi, Joel. Can you hear us okay? Yes, I can hear you. Can you see my screen? Actually, your screen isn't sharing yet. Let me try again. Is this working? We can see a black screen. My internet must be unstable today. Take your time. We're not in a rush. Okay, try now. There we go. We can see it now. Finally. Sorry about that, everyone. No worries at all. These things happen. Ugh, I just need to print this contract before the client call starts. Careful. The printer's been jamming all morning. It says paper jam, but I don't see any paper stuck. Try opening the side panel. Got it? Oh no. It printed the wrong file completely. That's last month's report, not the contract. I have 4 minutes before the client call starts. Send it from my laptop. It's already connected. You're a lifesaver, thank you. Anytime. Deep breath. You've got this. I really hope the rest of today goes smoother. Excuse me, I ordered a chicken sandwich 10 minutes ago. Let me check with the kitchen. I have another meeting in 15 minutes. I'm sorry. It looks like your order got lost in the system. Lost? I've been waiting all this time for nothing? I'll put a rush on it right now, I promise. I really don't have time to wait any longer. How about this? The sandwich is free, and I'll add a drink too. That's kind, but I need to leave. Take it to go then. On us. Thank you. Today has been unbelievable. Sorry, I think this room is booked for my 1 o'clock meeting. Actually, I booked it for the same time. Look, it's on my calendar too. That's strange. It's on mine as well. The system must have double booked us. I really can't reschedule. My client's already on the way. Neither can I, honestly. How about we split it? I'll take the first 20 minutes. That works for me. I'll grab a coffee and come back. Thank you for being so understanding. No problem. It's not the first time this has happened. Let's hope it's the last time it happens to me today. Where's my driver? The app says 2 minutes. Your driver has canceled the trip. Canceled? Now I need a new one. Searching for another driver. Please, please find one quickly. Found one. 5 minutes away. 5 minutes? I can make that work. Sorry for the wait. Traffic's been rough today. It's fine. Thank you for coming. Rough day? You have no idea. Perfect timing. Not even an umbrella. Here, share mine. I'm only going as far as the corner. Are you sure? I don't want to make you late. It's fine. Honestly, you look like you needed it more than me. Thank you. This might be the nicest thing that's happened to me all day. That bad, huh? You wouldn't believe it if I told you. Try me. I've got 2 minutes and nowhere to rush to. Let's just say it started with a broken alarm clock and got worse from there. Well, at least it's ending on a dry note. Sort of. Sort of. Thank you again. Hi, I'm picking up my shirts. Name's Joel.
Here you go. 3 shirts, 1 jacket.
Wait, this jacket isn't mine.
Let me look at the ticket. You're right.
I don't even own a red jacket.
Oh, I'm so sorry. We must have mixed up the tags.
Do you have my actual jacket?
Give me 1 moment. Yes, found it. Navy blue, right?
That's the one. Thank goodness.
I'll take 10% off for the mix-up.
I appreciate that. Honestly, at this point, nothing surprises me.
Is this seat taken?
No, please sit down. You look exhausted. It's been a long day. I'm Joel, by the way.
Anna, nice to meet you. What happened?
Where do I start? My alarm didn't go off. I got a parking ticket. Missed my interview slot. My lunch order disappeared.
Well, that sounds like a disaster.
And you? You look stressed when you sat down too.
My coffee shop gave someone else's order to a customer named Joel this morning. I had to remake a latte in 30 seconds.
Wait. I'm Joel? That might have been my coffee.
No way. Small world.
I guess that makes us even.
So the coffee mix-up, that was you?
That was me. I'm sorry about the wait.
Don't be. You gave me a free latte. Best part of my day.
At least something good came out of today.
Tell me the rest. You mentioned a parking ticket?
2 minutes over the meter. Then the wrong interview date, a video call that wouldn't connect, a printer disaster, a lost lunch order, a double-booked meeting room, a canceled ride, getting caught in the rain, and someone else's jacket at the dry cleaners.
That's an impressive list of disasters.
And somehow, I still ended up on a nice bench talking to you.
Silver lining, I suppose.
Maybe the worst days lead somewhere good.
Coffee tomorrow? My treat this time. I promise it'll have the right name on it.
Deal.
Power phrase.